Alright, hello everybody. Alright, so we have a practical question here, something that some of us experience, when going to a pizza shop, you know. So what we're having here, this is dedicated to pizza lovers. This is dedicated to pizza lovers. Alright, so we have three pizzas here, three batches of pizzas here. We have a pizza of radius 2 units that costs 15 naira. We have another pizza of radius 4 units that costs what? 100 naira. And we have the biggest pizza of radius 8 units that costs what? 200 naira. Alright, and what are we looking for? We're looking for the best deal. We're looking for the best deal here. So what's the best deal here? So you have to understand that, assuming that each of the pizza has the same level of thickness, we're trying to find the best value for our money, right? So that the big chains don't cheat us or something. Yeah. So assuming the thickness are all constant for all of them, we know that. So we're basically trying to look for the volume. So volume is what fills up our stomach. Volume is what you should focus on, and the volume of a pizza is also what we call cylinder. So and the volume of a pizza is πr²h. That's the volume of a pizza, assuming that what the h is constant. Assuming that the h is constant, right? So we're now looking for the best deal, the best value for our money. So if we start with this, we'll have what? Pi what? 2² h, which gives you what? 4 pi h. If we do the second one, which has a radius of 4 units, you have what? Pi 4² h, which gives you what? 4 square is what? 16 pi h. Right? And the same thing goes for here. Pi, using this formula, pi 8² h, which gives you what? A square is what? 64 pi h. So this is meant to be the volume of each of them, right? This is meant to be the volume of each of them, right? So now what's the next thing you do? So this is the first unit, right? This is the first unit, and to approach to this is times 2, right? If you come here to approach to this, from here to here is times 2, from here to here is times 2. That means from here to here is what? Times 4. Times 4, yeah. Right? Okay, so now meanwhile for this now, from here to here, being the unit from here to here is times 4, because 4 times 4 will give you 16 pi. 4 pi is h times 4 will give you 16 pi h, right? And from here to here is times 4. Meaning that from here to here will give you what? Will give you what? Times 16. So which gives you the value for your money most? It's this. Because from here to here is just times 4, right? From here to here is just times 4. So you are spending 4 times the amount you are spending for your unit price, compared to what the volume is here. What's the volume here? The volume here now is times 16. So that means for every 4 times of the amount I spend in buying something like this, I'm getting times 16 of the quantity, volume quantity. So this is your best pick. Again, I'm not saying that when you get to the Pixar shop, you bring out your book and start making this calculation. I'm just trying to make it easier for you, so you can just do the calculation in your head. All right, thank you. That's that.